Welcome back, everybody. Good morning. It's Sunday. What's today's day? I don't know. Anywho, headed down to SD with my boy Mike. We're going to the Clubhouse Open House. They have a collaboration with Motor Union. Motor Union has been a while. Jason, the owner of Five and a Dime, usually hosts this event. So we're headed down to San Diego to check out this meet and open house, and catch up with some of our boys in SD, and have a good time. But we'll see you guys there in a bit. Later. I needed this iced coffee. So bomb. So this event has a lot of different rooms and whatnot, so I'm gonna show you everything out. Four-door R32. This thing's sick. Oh, look at this. 510. This is the clean Integra. Dang. Chasing J's, little touch-ups. homie Dunes S2K. This thing is clean. Obviously, look, spoon bumper. Spoon calipers, the TEs, carbon side skirt, carbon roof. This thing's clean. His brother Nit has a spoon S2K as well, but this thing is butter. Alright, so I made it home. The event was dope. A huge shout out to Jason from 5 and a Dime, all the staff that were helping out, everyone at Motor Union. If you guys if you're ever in San Diego, I'll put their info in the description below for any future events if you guys want to check it out. Also, big shout out. Good seeing Mickey and Rickey, both from Throtl. A bunch of other guys, my boy Fiasco, Rex. It was good seeing you guys and catching up. It was really a dope event. A big variety of cars, not just Hondas, just like a bunch of oldies, a Porsche RX-7, some Skylines, a few lowriders. It was a dope event. But to the new subscribers again, and our old subscribers, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the next video. Next weekend, we will be at Fuel Fest at Irwindale. So if you guys are going to be there, we'll be there doing coverage, checking out the event. And, hey, you guys, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing and following along with our channel. And we will see you next week. Until next time, you guys, peace.